Automatic glass bottle packing machine line. Bottle unscramble machine. It can accommodate a large number of cans at a time, automatically sorting into the conveyor belt of the packaging line, saving labor costs. UV sterilization channel is suitable, various diameter of empty cans, glass jars, etc. Simple structure, easy to operate and use, good UV sterilization effect. Automatic dual-head glass bottle screw capping machine. This machine with automatic lid feeding device. High degree of automation, saving labor costs and improving production efficiency. Advanced man-machine interface operating system, adjustable operating parameters. It is widely used for food, beverage, chemical industry, etc. Bottle collecting machine. It can accommodate a large number of cans at a time. Automatically storage the packaging line can or bottle, saving labor costs.